begin our Bali to Java volcano tour on Sunday morning, heading straight to the north of Bali, Black Lava area. Today is Balinese Ngabin, is the Hindu cremation ceremony practiced in Bali, Indonesia. It is a ritual performed to release the soul of a deceased person from the body so that it can enter the upper realm and await reincarnation. The Kintamani Hill Road is a scenic route that connects the Kintamani and Batur villages in the north of East Bali, Indonesia. This road offers a relaxing way to explore the pleasant mountain and hill country between Kintamani and Ubud, providing stunning views of Mount Batur and Lake Batur. The road is not always in perfect condition, and it can be impassable except on foot during certain periods due to damage. The Mount Batur off-road route offers an adventurous experience that includes traversing woods, single tracks through black rocks fields, fast-flowing dirt tracks, motorcycle tracks, farm trails. East Java, the Sea of Sand, known locally as Lautan Pasir, is a desert-like area within the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park in Indonesia. It is part of the Tengger caldera, which is the result of an ancient volcanic eruption and covers an area of about 5,250 hectares at an altitude of approximately 2,100 meters, 6,900 ft. The Sea of Sand is a popular destination who can explore the area on horseback, motorbike, or jeep tours. The park also features other attractions such as the active volcano Mount Semeru, the Hindu temple Pura Luhur Poten, and the Madakaripura waterfall. The best time to visit the Sea of Sand in Semeru is during the dry season, which typically runs from July to October. This period offers dry and sunny days, making it ideal for trekking and exploring the area. The hike to the summit of Mount Bromo is relatively easy, involving a walk and some stairs, and takes about 20-30 minutes when the weather is more favorable, with lower chances of rainfall and clearer skies, allowing for a better view of the sunrise and the surrounding landscapes.